One of the most common issues for young saxophonists to deal with is something that I refer to as a subtone low register or fuzzy low register. It sounds like this. It's the result of soft, flabby, lower lip, and that your chin actually moves down, your teeth and everything move down away from the reed, and you're not supporting it with a good strong embouchure. The most common cause of this, in terms of just pedagogically what results in the student doing this, is when all of us have told saxophones to play quieter. When they're young and they're playing in the lower register, it is not going to be quiet. They need to play at a full volume and really learn how to keep their embouchure strong and set as they progress down into the lower register of the instrument. The most common exercise that I use with students to try to eliminate this problem is just a little thing I call descending intervals. You can use any interval you want to. I usually do 1, 5, 1 in any given key, and just have them set the embouchure in a comfortable register. So the one I'm going to demonstrate to you now on an alto saxophone is I'm going to play a C, a G, and then go down to the low C, which is a quite low note on our instrument. And the key is that they can't move anything in their embouchure. Keep it still. Even if the low note doesn't come out, that's okay. Just have them feel what it's like to keep everything still. So I'll demonstrate that to you now as if I still had some embouchure issues and the note doesn't speak. So in that instance, my embouchure is too tight and it's very easy to diagnose. You want the student, though, more important than having the correct amount of pressure is to have everything still. Once everything's still, it's easy to say you need to loosen your embouchure up, you need to spread your teeth apart ever so slightly on all the notes, not just the low notes, the high notes too. So if I spread my teeth apart and try that again. This is something that if you do early on with your students, you'll keep them from developing that habit of lowering their jaw and creating that subtone sound, which is not desirable in a concert band, young band setting. So I really encourage you to address that very early on and let them make a loud noise on those low notes and not worry about it. Once they get a stronger embouchure, they'll be able to play very soft down there and articulate cleanly, and you won't have to hear the fuzzy subtone.